is the presidential election in Tajikistan is regulated by the constitutional law about presidential election. And according to the Article 1 of this law, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan can be, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan should be only the citizen of the Republic of Tajikistan, have at least 30 years old, have a high education, speak state language fluently, and of course live in the territory of the Republic of Tajikistan for the last 10 years. According to the third part of this article, violation of these norms can be lead to the invalidation of the presidential election in Republic of Tajikistan. And we can say that the presidential election in Republic of Tajikistan nowadays it will hold on 11th of October in the Republic of Tajikistan, and every citizen, no matter is it he or she, if he has 18 years old, he can participate, or we can say that he or she have a vote to elect his candidate.